Listen up, all you dog lovers. Go to your local dog shelters. Get out and adopt a pet today. You can have more than one pet in your home. As long as you take care of them like you would take care of children, they will light up your life when you walk through the door after a hard day. So get out and adopt a pet today. Dogs are the most loving animals on this earth. I can't imagine ever living without a dog. I've had dogs since the day I was born. They light up my life. They love you unconditionally. My dogs are like my children. They are lovable. They're like children. Just light up my life. I ask you to adopt a pet today at your local dog shelter. Please adopt a pet. Dog shelters need your help, and cats also are available. You're watching the WestchesterNews.com.